Today, we're going to show you how to install Microsoft Copilot on your Android device. Microsoft Copilot is an AI assistant that integrates with Microsoft applications to streamline your work and personal tasks. First, open the Play Store on your Android and make sure you're signed in. In the search bar at the top, type Copilot. And hit search. Click on the app that appears at the top of the page. Next, scroll down and click on the Install option. After the installation, open the application. You can choose to log in or continue without an account. The app will ask for your name. And allow you to select a voice for interactions, but you can skip that if you prefer. Now, you're ready to start creating. For example, you can ask Copilot whatever you want. And that's it. Microsoft Copilot is now installed and ready to use.